Can't you hear the thunder? You better take
I am recording now, by the way. So what do you got there, Gerard?
I got a package from my brother.
From Chris.
From the same mother.
Yeah, look at that. It's Daryl McFadden. Thanks for showing his address on the video. I'll have to blotch that out.
I agree with you.
Hi, welcome.
It says,
I got a box. I think it's for my brother because that's what it says.
it says handle with care, though. Is there?
Handle with care. Each corner.
Do you see Fragile anywhere? The Italian mark of excellence?
No, but I see waffled corners.
Uh-oh. Some of
Like,
that.
like they threw it to somebody.
You know, my brother-in-law works down at UPS at the packaging center. There's a good chance that he slammed that against the airplane at some point. I'll tell you what, though, I'm kind of feeling kind of left out here. I didn't get anything.
Kind of jealous. You get one?
No, I was going to buy him something too. I'll hold judgment until the holidays.
To work on the bike. He's not having it. He's just afraid to leave.
Although that could be your sister-in-law's head in that box, so I'd be careful. What's in the box? Come on, what's in the box? You that movie 7?
I don't know. It could be booby trap. Booby trap. Booby trap. Booby trap.
So it's a Gerard trap.
This isn't a joke. This gun.
I did pick on him growing up.
Sunday at 9. Catch up on all the episodes on demand.
What is that?
This is $1.
It's $1 million.
What the heck is it? There's some styrofoam in there.
It's like
If you're not a believer now, you will.
it's like drain.
Looks like some of that Far Eastern styrofoam. That's real exotic.
It looks like a display case.
I
Bank
see.
case.
Yeah.
Let's set that right there.
It goes well with the motif you have in the background.
The holiday season is here, and it's time to celebrate. With the best savings of the year, we're making this holiday.
Wow, something else.
Right now, thanks to Tucson, just
Yeah,
Polar bears on.
hurry in for the holiday.
that's nice. Look at that. To Gerard from Chris.
What nasty cold
Looks like he wrapped it himself, too. Look at that.
Shelf Rush Liquid Fast Relief to your top.
That saved their wrapper.
They outsell mucilage gels 2 to 1. Alka-Seltzer Plus liquid gels. Did we just
He got to wrap Liz's present tonight?
I'm gonna send back toys in the attic.
find your way out? Zilla.
I think he wants something like some type of Pilots or
Hurry to T-Mobile today.
Pearl Jam or something.
That's
Something
the holy.
6 each. Just $30 a line. That's 6 gigs each, plus unlimited video streaming with Binge On. Stream Netflix, HBO
The little polar bears on ice skates.
I gotta say, Gerard, I've never seen anyone open a present like this. This has got to be a first for me.
This won't last long.
Look at this.
Alright.
He's still diligently opening it up.
Another package.
Yeah, don't rip
My
that.
trusty razor blade.
Jesus.
Your time to holiday shopping.
John would have cut himself 3 times by now.
But it would have been funny. Look at that. Look at that. What is it? Weird Al Yankovic's greatest hits?
How long? To the point of milk.
What else is on the album? Is that the one with
more of a myth
That's before my eyes
Dust in the Wind.
Every auto insurance policy has
Paradox, Spider,
but not every
Portrait.
insurance company understands the life behind it.
Post Chronicle, Plaza Chronicles.
And those who have served our
Why
nation.
don't you put up to the camera so everyone can see and share with you?
just a drop of
USAA.
water in an
We know what it means to serve.
Sparkles of the Templest, Nobody's Home, Hopelessly Human,
92% of our members
crumbles
plan to
to
stay
the
for life.
ground.
Dust in the Wind.
Yeah, all the goodies.
All the goodies.
$800.
So why don't you put it in your record player and give us a sample of it?
I didn't go to the yard sale and get one.
I thought you had one. I thought you had one.
Make me feel like I'm getting a good deal. You know, battery's gonna cost me $50.
You had one, I remember.
$79.50. Oh, you got a phone?
Pretty clean.
Give me $25 off. Oh my God.
Well, that was really nice of them.
Oh, there's a card.
Oh, look at that. That's where all the money is.
I have to get this bike running just to take it to the BMW mechanic.
I don't know what I did to deserve this.
Me neither.
Huh?
You're like the last person. This is the last scenario I would have thought about for this Christmas.
See right there. There's the first Megan.
You must have had the album and didn't know I wanted
So
it.
once you start cleaning this thing, that's why
Nice, be nice. He called me the other day asking for your address to verify it.
$25.
He's like, "What's Gerard's address?" And I said, I don't know, 16, some 12, 1284.
I'm wondering if it's my original.
And you made money on it.
Oh, of course. Everything always comes back to you owning it at some point. Oh, yeah. It's a high class.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
You know, I just had someone tell me, Rich, that next year don't bother sending him a Christmas card because it's unnecessary.
And in loving style, he wrote me a note.
It may not be a turkey, but it's better than nothing. Turkey. Merry Christmas.
See you again. Great to meet you.
From your brother, Chris.
If the men come to take me away, why do they follow me? It's not the future that I can see. It's just my fantasy.